All right, time for some Wednesday birthdays, going back in time. Wednesday birthdays here in the 4 states, and we begin in Oswego with Jalen Zwallen turning 2 years old today. Jalen, a very happy birthday to you.
All right, and we've got Colby Martin turning 5 years old in McCune, Kansas. Happy birthday, Colby.
And Trenton Soderman turning 13 in Pittsburgh. Trenton, a very happy birthday to you.
Lucas Hayward celebrating birthday number 15 in Parsons.
And we've got Carson Smith celebrating birthday number 15 in Altamont. Happy birthday, Carson.
And how cool is it that you can celebrate with one of your best friends? Ava Daniels is also turning 15 years old. Got a note here that said Carson and Ava are friends, and they're both in Altamont.
And our list continues with Brooklyn Malikas turning 18, so a very happy 18th birthday to you, Brooklyn.
All right, and Braden Wall celebrating birthday number 18 as well, and Braden is in Minden Mines.
And we've got Carrie Shadden celebrating birthday number 22 in Elsmore, Kansas. Carrie, a very happy birthday to you.
All right, and it's a 35th birthday for Patrick Nichols.
That's what we have to tell him.
It says 62, but you're only as old as you feel. And we're celebrating 35 with Mr. Nichols.
And we've got Rusty Burns turning 63 in Minden Mines this year. Rusty, a very happy birthday to you.
I think the party's in Minden Mines this morning, Chris.
It looks like it.
Yeah, in Parsons, Mary Greenow is celebrating birthday number 78.
And we've got Alan Garner in Pittsburgh, one of our many 4-state heroes, celebrating birthday 82 today. Happy birthday to you, Alan, and thank you for all that you have done.
In Weir, Kansas, Delbert Calloway, happy birthday.
And our very own Peyton Williams, who's an evening news and production assistant, is celebrating a birthday today as well. Peyton, a very happy birthday to you.
All right, happy birthday, Peyton. And our birthday list goes on. We've got Walker Humble celebrating 7 strong this year. That's a real strong name. I like that. Walker. And Levi Simpson is 14 years old in Columbus.
And celebrating an Earth Day, an anniversary yesterday was Charles and Brenda Martin celebrating 59 years of wedded bliss in Columbus. A very happy anniversary to you. And of course, we love to see this list get longer and longer, and Tanya's going to tell you how you can help us out.
All you have to do is send your birthday pics and all the details to either of these emails, birthdays with an S at KOAMTV.com or birthdays at KOAMNewsNow.com.
And when you're heading to our website for all the latest election results, take a minute and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. It's easy to do. You get great deals from local businesses as well as a nice birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So make sure you go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.